guys, so today I'm downtown, as you can see. So I thought I'd come down to Marina Bay, the Sands Hotel area, just to check it out again properly. I was here once before in January, but I didn't get to explore it that well. The Chinese New Year was happening, so there was lots of restrictions in place. But it's a nice day today, so I said I thought I'd come down, take a look at the Merlion, the Helix bridge, maybe have a look at that weird building behind me, the Science Museum or Art Gallery I think, and end up in the Sands Hotel, hopefully up on the roof where the pool is. We can take a look from there if it's open. So yeah, just going to take a look around and see what it's like, so let's go take a look. So behind me is the, if you can hear me over the traffic, is the Fullerton Hotel. It's one of the kind of top end hotels here, and pretty expensive to stay here, I'd say. But hopefully I can go in and maybe take a look around. But we'll see if they let me or not. So guys, I'm in the Fullerton Hotel here, and the view is fantastic. The hotel is amazing. So I just came in to have a coffee here, just to have a look around, but I saw the menu and they have Guinness on the menu, so I'm going to try the Guinness here and see how it fares from the Guinness in Ireland. But after this, then I'll have a look around the hotel. So my Guinness arrived. It's not exactly what I'm used to for a Guinness, and I would have expected a Guinness to be like this in a hotel. So yeah, no head on it, and it's just served to me in a glass, not on a draft. Although they did give me a mask, an envelope to put my mask in. So I just left the Fullerton Hotel. It's a very posh, high-end place, but the place was completely empty, as you'll see in the video. The main room, the main hall room, I asked why it was so empty. I thought it was because of COVID. It's kind of to do with that, but it's also they hold Sunday brunches there with entertainment, and it's very popular. But the Guinness I had wasn't great, and you know, for a Guinness and a water it was $36. So that's the first and last time I think I'll be buying booze at the Fullerton Hotel, unless I win the lotto. So yeah, I'm on the bay now, so the pavilion. So I'm just going to continue walking and exploring, and I'm going to head up to the Merlion now, I think. So let's see what else there is. So I can't get over, when I was here last, back in January, before COVID, this whole bay, this Marina Bay was so busy. It was packed. Now it's nearly like compared to it, it's deserted at the moment, which is good for me. I'm not great with big crowds, but it's kind of strange and eerie to be walking around here while it's so empty. Now it is a weekday, and I suppose last time here was on a weekend, and it was a holiday, Chinese New Year, so it's very busy. But no, it's good. It's actually good now to have feel like I have the place to myself. Thanks. Normally around here, especially where the line is behind me, it's just usually crowded with people. But after noticing a smaller Merlion that I didn't notice here the last time, so yeah. Yeah, so this is a wonderful structure, wonderful bridge. It connects the Marina South, I think, with the Marina Bay Hotel itself, that area. And apparently at night time it is lit up spectacularly. So I must come back here and do a video some evening and do a city at night video. finished the one exhibition that they have here in the Science Museum. Big, all about the light shows. So it was $16 in. Got to see something unusual, and I got to cool down a bit. So let's go see where else there is. At the back of the shopping mall, Marina Bay shopping mall. I just left the Science Museum. But this area here is usually where they would have a show, a light show every evening that displays up in the sky with jets of water. For obvious reasons, COVID reasons, that's not happening nowadays. Still a beautiful view, beautiful place, and I didn't realise like it was the weirdest Louis Vuitton shop I've ever seen is on the water. I'll show you now. I'll show you some of the views here, and then we'll go into the Marina Bay shopping mall and have a look around there. So it's you're an expensive shopping mall when you can get a boat ride. So now I'm going to try and see if the Skybar is open. See if we can get a view from the top of this beautiful hotel. Okay, so I'm getting the elevator now. I've gone up to the top of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel to the Skybar view, and it's a nice day as well, so I'll get some nice shots. I can actually feel my ears. Pressure pumping in my ears. We're going up that high, that quick, so yeah, let's go and check it out. So the view is great from up here, and that green park down there where the white tower is, that's where I started this morning on this tour. And then I went over here to the red roof building, the Fullerton Hotel, and then over across to the Merlion, which you probably can't really see, but he's there. So yes, that's beautiful views up here on top of the Sky Park here at the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. So definitely a good day out. Amazing views. You know, definitely if you're coming to Singapore, it's a, you know, everybody has to come up here. But it'd be nice to be a member of the guest of the hotel, because you get to use their infinity pool, which we have no access to here now. But yeah, so it was a good day out. So I think I'm going to go and get some food now and call it a day. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.